So the next question is example 6.5. The following data were obtained during a test carried out on a DC supply. First is load test, second is regulation test. Okay. So for load test, output voltage is equal to 12 volt, output voltage for 2 ampere load current is equal to 11.5 volt. Similarly for regulation test, output voltage 12 volt, output voltage for 200 volt is equal to 11.9 volt. You have to determine the equivalent output resistance of the power supply. So let us start with A part. Okay. So what is the equivalent resistance of the power supply? Okay. So equivalent output resistance. So we know that output resistance is equal to, what is the formula? Change in the output voltage. What is resistance? Resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. Therefore, R out will be equal to change in output voltage to the change in output current, right? Now what is your output voltage? So for 12 volt minus 11.5 divided by your current, change in the output current is equal to 2 minus 0, which is equal to, so after solving you will be getting it as 0.25 ohm. Okay. Now B part, the regulation of the power supply. So what will be your regulation of your power supply? Regulation, the change in the output voltage to the input voltage, like, right? So regulation is equal to change in percentage, regulation is equal to change in output voltage to the change in input voltage into 100. That much percentage of regulation you will be getting. Okay. Now what is your change in the output voltage? For 220 volt you have 12 volt. So for 200 you have 11.9 divided by your change in input voltage is equal to 220 minus 200, right? So you will be getting here 0.120 into, sorry, here it is into 100, into 100 percentage. So when you convert 0.1, if you want to convert it into a whole number, you have to multiply by 10, right? So you will be getting 1 into 10. So here you will be getting 10 divided by 20 percentage, which is equal to 1 by 2, 0.5 percentage. Okay.